Making a mini stove from a used can. First, cut the bottom part of the can, about 3 centimeters from the base. Use one of the cut pieces for the top of the stove, then make small holes in the top using a nail or needle as outlets for the flame. Insert cotton into the bottom part of the can, which will serve as a fuel absorber. Then, join the 2 pieces of the can together. Pour a small amount of alcohol inside, then carefully light it. The stove is ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.